What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max the Rock here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be looking at the Motorola E4 Plus. I'm excited. I haven't had my hands on this device yet, and well, let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I just want to note here that the box that they gave me at Best Buy looked like somebody gripped it and just did this to it, you know. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I know this phone is old. It's not going to be that much different from the Motorola E4 Plus, but nonetheless, it is a different phone. You get your charging brick. You also get a micro USB charging cable because the device itself is micro USB here. See if we get that to focus. Come on. By the way, I'm shooting this here with the Motorola G5 Plus. I got the device because I plan on using it on a different network, and with my job that I have, I want to have a device that has a really big battery in it. Let's get this powered on. You got a 5.5 inch display. It's 720p. You got a 5 megapixel camera in the front with an LED flash, you can see right there. 13 megapixel camera in the rear with an LED flash as well. The body itself is metal on the back, you can see clearly there. Speaker is on the front of the device there on the top. Got a headphone jack on the top. Like I said, micro USB charging port on the bottom with a microphone as well, and a noise canceling microphones on the back. Excuse me. So hold on one second. This here is the Tribute HD. Well, not HD, Tribute Dynasty. And we have a 32 gigabyte SD card in there. I'm going to take it out of this one. We have officially retired Tribute Dynasty. Also, what I'm going to do is take out this Verizon SIM card because I'm not going to be using the Verizon network for it. Okay? Ooh, whoa. Almost about to damage the phone already, y'all. Alright, so we can get this started here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the video here on pause. I'm going to get the process of getting my information on the phone started. I'm excited about this phone here. My number one thing, like I said previously, is that it has a huge battery in it, and that's going to be an important factor for me. I'm going to be needing a device with a huge battery throughout my day. I want to be able to bring a phone with me and not have to worry about having to charge it later on in the day. What I'm going to try to do is get this device activated and see exactly how long it can last with me while I'm out and about. Yeah, that's pretty much the purpose of getting this device here, because it has a 5,000 mAh battery. And don't get me wrong, this is going to be like any other typical unboxing, or not unboxing, but typical review of a device here. I'm pretty much excited about this here. I'm happy I'm able to finally get my hands on here. Excuse me. You see that we got a software update available, and it's installing 43 applications here, which is not a lot, you know, because I could have had a couple backups where I had like 97 to 100 apps. The camera itself is still on the old Motorola software, because you know they got an updated app where, let me see if I can change this here. They have an updated app where you can actually see if I can focus that. Yeah, I can. They got an updated app where it doesn't look anything like this. It's actually kind of cool. And also what I'm going to do is go into the Motorola app here, or the Moto Actions app, actual home buttons on the screen, to one button navigation. So basically you got I got the one button navigation. It's probably one of my favorite features about the Motorola devices here, is that you scroll over, you get your notifications. You get multiple applications here, obviously. And then let's say I go to an application like YouTube. I press the fingerprint scanner, it takes me home. Go back, swipe over to the right, takes me to YouTube, and if I swipe back, what happens if it goes back? It's kind of cool, pretty useful if you ask me. But that's pretty much all I can really say about the device as of right now. I can't really get into too much detail because this is still kind of the beginning stages of a new phone here. Keep in mind, this device came out last year, and there's plenty of videos out there's plenty of videos out there about this device here. But it's my first time having it, and I think it was a good pickup for me. And It was a pickup of necessity as opposed to want. Don't get me wrong, I wanted this device. I did. I absolutely did. But it was a necessity as well. So now I have 3 Motorola devices in the lineup. And I'm going to be adding more pretty soon because I will be getting the Motorola G6. That's a promise. I'm going to get that first day. If you guys want to see anything in particular in the future here with the Motorola E4 Plus going against the Motorola E4 or going against the Motorola G5 Plus, let me know in the comment section below. I'll get that video done for you. Be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And of course, I want to say thank you for watching this video. As you do know, my name is Max the Rock, and you have a good day. Deuces.